In this video, we'll discuss about two important concepts of cost accounting, which are cost unit and cost center. The content of this video are cost unit. Under cost unit, meaning of cost unit, example of cost unit, then cost center. Under cost center, meaning of cost center, types of cost center, and requirement of cost center. Let's start with first concept, cost unit. Cost unit can be defined as unit of product or service in relation to which costs are ascertained. The cost unit is narrowest possible level of cost object. It is the unit of quantity of product, service, of time, or combination of these in relation to which cost may be ascertained or expressed. We may, for instance, determine service cost per ton or steel, per ton kilometer of transport service, or per machine hour. Sometimes a single order or contract constitutes a cost unit, which is known as a job. A batch, which consists of group of identical items and maintains its identity through one or more stages or production, may also be taken as cost unit. A few examples of cost units are given below. The table shows the industry or product and its cost unit. First example is automobile. In the automobile industry, the cost unit is used number of vehicle. Next is cable. For cable, cost unit is used meters or kilometers. For cement, cost unit is used ton. Chemicals, fertilizer, liter, kilogram or ton. Gas, cubic meter. Power, electricity, kilowatt per hour. Then transport, ton kilometer or passenger kilometer. Then hospital, patient per day. Hotel, bed per night. Education, student per year. Telecom, number of calls. Next concept is cost center. The Institute of Cost and Management Accounts, London, has defined cost center as a location, a person, or an item of equipment or group of these in a connected with an undertaking in relation to which cost may be ascertained and used for the purpose of cost control. Cost center is a location, person, or item of equipment for which cost may be ascertained and used for the purpose of cost control. From functional point of view, a cost center may be relatively easy to establish because cost center is any unit of the organization to which cost can be separately attributed. Cost center is an individual activity or group of similar activities for which costs are accumulated. For example, in production department, a machine or group of machines within a department or a work group is considered as a cost center. Any part of an enterprise to which costs can be charged is called as a cost center. Let's see the types of cost center. On the basis of the nature of business activities, the following are the types of cost center. First is personal cost centers. If a cost center refers to a person or group of persons, it is personal cost center. Second is impersonal cost center. If a cost center refers to a location or equipment or group of equipment, it is an impersonal cost center. Third type of cost center is production cost center. In manufacturing concern, a cost center refers to machine shop, welding shop, grinding shop, polishing shop, painting shop, assembly shop, and the like. Such cost center is a production cost center. Next type of cost center is service cost center. In manufacturing concern, some centers like stores, power, transport, accounts, personnel department, etc. are rendering services to the production cost center. Such center is a service center. This service center is divided into three categories. Material service center, it includes stores, internal transport, etc. Next, personal service center, it includes labor office, canteen, etc. And plant maintenance center, it includes tool room, carpentry, etc. Next type of cost center is operation cost center. A center is considered of machines and or a persons carrying out similar operations. And the last type of cost center is process cost center. A center is considered of those engaged on a specific process of manufacturing of a product. Then we will see why these cost centers required in the business or in the organization. There are two reasons for specifying the cost center. First reason is to fix the responsibility. If responsibility is fixed, the cost center is very easy. Hence, cost centers are also called responsibility center. The second reason is facilitating the recovery of overhead. Overhead is recovered on the predetermined rate. Rate is predetermined on the basis of nature of completion of work or the process followed. I hope you understand the both concept cost unit and cost center. Thank you.